welcome to the channel. This is the first video on this channel feed. This one is covering a couch cushion. I bought a used couch and the cushions are all worn out. I bought this on Amazon. This is a firm mattress cushion. There's a semi-firm and firm. I've already done one of these already. I probably would have gone semi-firm. The firm is a little too stiff. Oops. Alright, welcome back. Sorry, the cushion sprung out and hit the camera and knocked it over. But we're back. Little action shots for you. My couch cushion. So this is a 6-inch by 30 by 72 inches long. I got it extra long so I'm doing multiple couch cushions, so I'm just gonna cut what I need, and then whatever's left over is just trash. But I figure that's the most bang for your buck. So mine's 27 inches width. I'm using a level. You can use any type of straight edge you can find. Using a bread knife to cut through the cushion. It worked pretty good. Try to get straight cut on it. That's pretty much it for this cushion. And the zipper just broke. So that'll probably be the last time I do that one. So that's kind of that, and I'm gonna put the last cushion cover on it. So now I have, another piece I can make another cushion out of. So get more for your money. If you like it really firm, this is actually it's pretty firm. I already sat on one that I did previously, and there's not a whole lot of give. Like I said, maybe I would have gone semi-firm, give it a little bit extra cushion, but it depends on your preference. All right, thanks for watching.